Metric system of measurement. We have here our line graph involving the metric system of measurement. T, we have tera, G, giga, M, mega, small letter K, kilo, H, hecto, the, deca, and the unit, if it is length, we are using meter. If it is weight or mass, we are using grams, and for the volume, we are using liters. That is for metric. Then DC, centi, milli, micro, nano, and pico. These are the prefixes we are using in the metric system of measurement. Okay, we have here the example, and it is an example for the length. And for the length, the unit that we are using is meter. Yan. We are using the unit length, which is, or the unit for the length in metric system is meter. Okay. Example, conversion. 8 meters is equivalent to how many kilograms? Simply, meters. Then, nandito yung kilometers, rather. Kilometers. Okay? Kilometers. Ito siya. Okay. From meters, then kilometers. Then from here, meters, the given, how many decimal places we will move? 1, 2, 3. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Therefore, we will move the decimal place in 3 times. We have here 8. The decimal point is here. We will move it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. The decimal point is here. Then this one is 0, 0, and 0. That is simply 0.008 kilometers. Ayan. And another examples. 500 meters is equivalent to how many centimeters? Simply, this will be the unit, which is meters, and the centi. Then the unit is meters, centimeters. Okay, how many times that we will move the decimal? 1, 2, going right. Okay, 1, 2, going right. Therefore, we have here the 500. Nandito yung decimal. We will move it twice to the right. 1, 2. Nandito yung decimal. Add tayo ng dalawang 0. Therefore, 500 meters is equivalent to 50,000 centimeters. Then, another example. We have here 2.5 meters is equivalent to how many millimeters? Meters, millimeters. Ayan, milli. Therefore, how many times? 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 times going to right. We have here 2.5. We will move 3 times. 1, 2, 3. This would be the decimal point. Add zeros. Therefore, it is 2,500 millimeters. Okay, that is how to convert a metric system of measurement in length. Just moving the decimal point if it is going right or going left. Metric system of measurement in mass. Okay, we have here for the mass or for the weight. Ayan, mass or for the weight. Unit, for the mass or weight, we have here grams. Ayan, for the unit, we have here gram. Simply, 18 kilograms is equivalent to how many grams? Therefore, here is the kilo. Given, kilo. That is kilo. Going to grams, this would be the grams. Okay? Kilo, how many times? 1, 2, 3. Again, kilo. 1, 2, 3. 3 times going to right. Therefore, we have here 18. Nandito din yung decimal. We'll move 3 times going right. 1, 2, 3. And this would be the decimal point. 1, 2, 3. Therefore, we have here 18,000 grams. 18 kilograms is 18,000 grams. Next, 500 milligrams is equivalent to how many grams? 500 milligrams. Milligrams. Okay? This one. How many grams? Count. 1, 2, 3. Okay? 3 going left. Milligrams. 1, 2, 3. We have here 500. 500. The decimal point is here. Move 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then we have here 0.5. That is 500 milligrams is 0.5 grams. Next, 4,500 grams is how many kilograms? Okay, simply grams to kilograms. Grams, 1, 2, 3. Again, grams, 1, 2, 3. Okay, therefore, 4,500. Nandito yung decimal point. Move tayo. Left side, 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay, therefore, 4.5 kilograms. That is for the mass. Metric system of measurement for the volume. Okay. Yan. Metric system of measurement for the volume. Okay. The unit for the volume is liter. Ayan. And simply, okay, we have here letter L. The symbol for our unit. Okay. Given 62.8 liters is equivalent to how many milliliters? Simply liters or liter to millimeter. We have here means going right. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have here 62.8 going right. 1, 2, 3. Decimal, add 0. Therefore, 62,800 milliliters. Ayan. Next, 3,500 milliliters is equivalent to how many liters? Milliliters is our given. Going to liter. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. Going left. Therefore, 3,500 decimal. 1, 2, 3. This would be the decimal point. Then we have here 3.5. 3.5. Next, 25 liters is how many kiloliters? 25 liters, kiloliters. Liters, given, liters to kilo. 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. Going left. You have here 25 decimal. 1, 2, 3. Decimal point, add 0. We have here 0.025. Okay? That is how to convert volume in metric system of measurement.